What is the quickest and easiest way to become a property investor? Quite simple. The next time you buy a property you're going to live in for yourself, buy it in a company name, a PTY. See, banks will loan out to you. You're still going to stay in personal surety the way you would on your own name. But the difference is, when you buy it in your own name, you've only got up to your maximum affordability, and no other bank will give you any more mortgage. So here's the kind of scenario. If you buy in your personal name and you can afford a 1 million rand property, you can buy a 1 million rand property, but banks won't give you more than that for another property. You're capped out. If you buy it in the name of a company, and let's just say you live in this house for, say, 7 to 10 years, the average of what most people do for a property, and then after about 7 years, you want to move on, move somewhere else, you get it rented out. Now, here's the kicker on that one. Property values have gone up. You've most likely paid down some of the bond. Rentals in the area have gone up. So instantly, you're most likely going to be in that cash flow positive region. But here's the benefit now. As soon as that company is earning income on itself for about 3 months, you can go to another bank and go, I'd like to buy another property for myself, also at 1 million rand. They look at this company and they go, it's self-sustaining. The tenant's paying the bills. They will give you a new mortgage affordability for 1 million rand. It is the quickest way to become a property investor and build up your own property portfolio.